Yeah, so hello everyone. Let me show you a demo of the My Make Church Easy app. I mean, the app is literally its name. It's to make church easy for you if you're working with OBS. So you don't need to leave OBS to do anything. Let me take you through the app. So we have Bible, we have worship, we have media, we have ministry, and we have multi-view all inside the app. And then we have the AI feature right here where you get to see your text directly inside OBS. So you don't get to leave OBS. Let me show you. So I go to Bible. Let's say your pastor asks you to open to John 3:16. All you have to do is type in J316 and you press enter. It takes you to John 3:16. The beautiful thing about this app, the unique thing about this app is that this app, you don't need to import scenes, you don't need to import sources. It imports it by itself. It's like magic. So you see that it's just one scene that is here, right? When I click on 16, guess what? Can you see that? Then I transition. Can you see that? It created the scene itself. As simple as that. So I can come here, I can update the background, I can change the background to this. I can use theme, I can use the color, I can use image, I can use video, any of the theme I want, but I'll stay with color. I can update the background to this. I can change the angle and the angle. Can you see that? Directly inside OBS. I can update the font size inside OBS. I can reduce the font size and you get to see it inside OBS. I can align the Bible to the left, to the center, to the right, inside OBS, lowercase, uppercase. And the reference, I can put it above. Can you see that? I can put it above the Bible verse or below the Bible verse. I can increase the font size of the and so on and so forth. So let me know spend time on that. So that is the Bible feature. When you download it, you test it, you will see that it works exactly like this. So let's say your pastor asks you to open another Bible verse. Let's say he wants Yoruba Bible verse. He wants Yoruba, right? Okay. So these are the drop down. All I have to do is go to the app. I go to all. I search for Yoruba. Okay, it is downloaded. I have it downloaded. I'm going to refresh the app. Guess what? We have it here. So I click on this, and just like that, you have the Yoruba version. As easy as that. If you want Igbo, it's the same process. So let me show you. I'm going to IGBO. I'm going to install that. It is installed. I refresh. So it should be this. And I go to 16. As simple as that. It's that simple. You don't need to import anything. You don't need to manage more than one app. You can just come here. I go to Hebrews 2:3. You get to see the font size is too big. I can come here. I can reduce the font size. I can come here to reduce the font size till it is okay. So this is this on the Bible section. So let's go to media. So this is the media section. So you have your media directly inside OBS. Let's say, for example, you want to display a picture or video. You don't need to go outside OBS. You just come to the media section and you click on send. Can you see that? You see it automatically and I can transition. As simple as that. I can transition. Let me click on this too. Or click on this. As simple as that. And you can also show video. Yes, video inside OBS. So all you have to do is click on send. And how you get this thing in is that you click on the add button and then you import. So let me import this picture. You import it directly inside OBS. So I'm going to picture. I imported the picture. I click on send and I see it inside OBS. So this is media. Then do you know that you can add tickers in this app? As it's so easy. All you have to do is come to the ministry section, click on tickers, and I've added some text. Let me add some text again. Testing OBS. Click on add, and I click on go live. You see it at the top. Can you see it at the top? Now I'm going to choose the bottom. So let me put the live stream in the so I'm going to choose the bottom. Then I clear and then I go live again. Guess what? Can you see that? See how easy it is for me to add the tickers. So I'm going to go back. Yeah, so you can also add lower thirds. Let me animate out. So I'm going to update this to Jesus loves you. And I click on go live. Can you see that? Transition. And then you get to see this directly inside OBS. You don't have to. So let's say you're a one-man team, you're a one-man media team, or you have a small media team. You don't have to be fidgeting about pull apps, and you can do it inside OBS. So let me show you another interesting feature about this app, which is the multi-view feature. So let's say you want to show the Bible by the side and also your pastor preaching by the side. So take me as the pastor preaching. So let's say this is your camera feed. I'm going to clear the lower thirds. So I go to lower thirds and click on animate out. So this is your camera feed, right? I'll go to multi-view. So let me project a Bible verse. So I'll go to the English version. Let's project verse 4. Now I want to show you the multi-view feature. This is it here. I've selected the required ones. So I'll select the Bible screen, which is for this one. And then for live stream, I've selected the video. And all I have to do is click on push to OBS. Guess what? You get to see this in less than a second. Yeah, this is real. Inside OBS. Don't worry, when you download the app, you get to see all these features. Let me show you the most interesting part of this app, which is the fact that you can have something like PewBeam inside OBS. So I'm going to go to the app. I'll click on Verse AI. I'll click on Start Listening. It is connect. So it is connecting now. Oh, it is working. Nice. Now I'll go back to OBS. Guess what? You have the transcription directly inside OBS. Let me present this. So these are my hands at the top. Open to John 3:16. Did you see that? That is my voice. So imagine your pastor, that's your pastor speaking. Go to Genesis 2:5. Can you see that? And you get to see it here. You see it here as it's going. Can you see? It's that simple. So please, test it out, test it out, test it out. I would love to have you on the platform.